City of Chloride, just an awesome little old mining town. Got a population of around 250 people right now, maybe 300 at the most. And it's the longest continuously occupied mining city in Arizona. They started mining here back in the 1840s. They discovered gold and silver, and they've been mining silver here ever since around 1870. Population grew to around 5,000, and then it diminished in the early 1900s. We got a great campsite here too. To get here, just take the paved road into Chloride from 93, go about 4 or 5 miles into town. When you get to the end of town, there's a cattle grate there. Then the road turns to gravel or dirt, and you go about another half mile, you'll see this mine over here. It's really kind of a reddish color, rusty color. And just go, oh, maybe another couple hundred yards after that. Found a nice little spot right here. It's pretty cool because you have this view of the whole city here. And we did a little walk through town yesterday. I'll show a little of that, and I've got some aerial footage of the mines themselves over here. They've been abandoned for a long time, but pretty awesome to see it. So yeah, let's check it out here.
Cyanide springs where the wind won't rest, a town of silver hearts put to the test. Miners dream in the dust they've sown, the oldest roots Arizona has known. The pickaxes sang where the mountains stood, through veins of silver and a hope for good. 75 mines digging dreams so deep, in Chloride's arms where the ghosts still weep. Oh, Cyanide springs, you hold the past, a whispering tale where shadows cast. Echoes of boots on the desert stone, in a town the time has called its own. The saloon doors creaked like an old man's sigh, cards were dealt beneath a lantern sky. Whiskey flowed as the miners swore they'd strike it rich or find no more. Rusting tracks and the canyons grin, tales of fortune where the end begins. The air tastes of cyanide and dreams betrayed, but the spirit of Chloride never fades. Oh, Cyanide springs, you hold the past. Oh, Cyanide springs, you hold the past, a whispering tale where shadows cast. Echoes of boots on the desert stone, in a town the time has called its own. The saloon doors creaked like an old man's sigh, cards were dealt beneath a lantern sky.
Chloride, Arizona.
And this is just somebody's little house here. They got all this little kind of artwork
They got
out here.
bowling balls.
Pretty cool, yeah. These are bowling balls, and they put
there's a lizard.
eyes on them.
Honey, there's a lizard.
Little lizard right there. Couple of big barrel cactus, fire barrel.
Wow.
That one's pretty.
This guy's the biggest I've ever seen.
Here's a really artistic little house here. They got all kinds of artwork here. We'll take a look at it as we walk by. So cool. Wow. That is just too cool.
What do you think they do with that tumbler? Cars?
Uh-huh.
See the ore? It's
Yeah.
there, and then it goes into an ore car, and then that goes on like railroad tracks.
Mhm.
It comes out, and then they bring it.
Big old scale there. Wow.
Wow. Be careful.
Keep walking.
Okay.
So they got like 20 or more deer here in town. People feed them popcorn and vegetables, leftover vegetables. Look at those.
Oh, looking at you. Hurry. Do that.
Watch, they're gonna leap over the fence.
Oh my gosh.
It's no problem at all for them.
Oh, from dead still. Dead standing still. Oh. Oh my God. We're leaving Chloride, but we had to stop and admire this, all the tchotchkes. Miners preparing to go up to camp. They got frying pans, they got a little stove here, 2-burner stove, and a bunch of tools and stuff.
Very cool.
Well, this is the cafe and the hotel, and they got a star-star engine, and they got a prehistoric rooster. With a saddle and an old gas pump. It's seen its better day. This beautiful old stove enamel.
A little museum over here.
And a horse.
Little playhouse.
That's the church.
Dead ass saloon. Very cool.
Sheriff's office is right next to the 2-stall jail that was built in 1919 and didn't get electricity till 1939.
Oh, here's the doc's office.
Oh, the doctor.
Imagine they had a lot of people needing that back in the days of mining.
And a coffin right next.
An old dry washer looking thing. Looks like it's been turned into a wet washer. I had one of these when I was looking for gold here a few years back. So this house here was owned by Jim Fritz, and he donated it after he passed away. His sister, and the place was fully furnished. They have tours of this little mining town here on Saturdays for anyone that's interested. Look at that old fridge, the coils right up on top.
And there's a thermostat over on the side, and here's some school desks.
Inside the saloon here, beer 5 cents, whiskey 25 cents, $2 for the whole bottle.
Arizona Territory, Chloride 18. We're in Chloride, and they've got this cute alien cowgirl. She's even got a strap on her holster, and she's a human slave because they got her chained up to the telephone post so nobody could steal her. She's got 2 guns and only 1 holster.
Oh, Cyanide Springs, you hold the past, a whispering tale where shadows cast echoes of boots on the desert stone in a town the time has called its own. The saloon doors creak like an old man's sigh. Cards were dealt beneath a lantern sky. Whiskey flowed as the miners swore they'd strike it rich or find no more. Rusting tracks and the canyons grin, tales of fortune where the end begins. The air tastes of cyanide and dreams betrayed, but the spirit of chloride never fades. Oh, Cyanide Springs, you hold the past, a whispering tale where shadows cast echoes of boots on the desert stone.